Well, I'm Bob White. I am the president and founder of a company called Real Capital Analytics. We track the capital markets for commercial property in the U.S. and around the globe. Graduated from the comm school in 1987. I was a finance major, came up on the investment banking track and spent the early part of my career in investment banking and real estate. The McIntire network is simply just been amazing. It's a great information network to pick up the phone and call somebody that went to UVA and talk more about the market and share information. It's really a helpful, supportive network, and I think that goes beyond just the real estate industry, where it's a very informal network, but throughout many facets, many industries. I think the comm school is really good about training, let's say, good all-arounders. People that are very good at working with others, people that are motivated to succeed, more likely people that I would put in front of clients. It really prepared me so well for my career, my careers, from starting out on Wall Street to becoming an entrepreneur and growing a company and going into disciplines and areas I never thought I'd be involved in. And I still look back at classes and things that I learned then that I didn't think were important that are incredibly important now.